application is dismissed with costs.
I-DA ithi izofaka isicelo sokuba kubukezwe isinqumo senkantolo. Leli qembu lidalule ezinye zezinto ezithole kumarekhodi okujutshwa kwamalungu e-ANC ezikhundleni zikahulumeni.
There exists in South Africa today a WhatsApp group for cadre deployment. A WhatsApp group inside the ANC that says, please forward the CVs of these people because there's currently a vacancy. There exists in South Africa today a database with the headline, Cadres for Consideration.
I-ANC samukele isinqumo senkantolo ephakeme.
The application brought by the DA was both legally unsound as well as hypocritical. We reiterate the ANC's position presented by President Ramaphosa to the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into allegations of state capture, that it is the ANC's view that the practice of cadre deployment should not be inconsistent with principles of fairness, transparency and merit in the appointment of individuals to public entities.
Ngeledlule, inkantolo yomthethosisekelo yasichitha nezindleko isicelo se-ANC sokuba kubukezwe isinqumo sokuthi inikeze i-DA amarekhodi okujutshwa kwamalungu ayo ezikhundleni zikahulumeni, i-cadre deployment. Kumanje, le mqingo isezandleni ze-DA, kanti yayithe izoyishicilela ukuze ibonwe umphakathi.